following program is to assist you with the setup and takedown of the vital signs monitor found in the Shelter Support Unit inventory. The SSU has two color-coded ALS systems that are marked yellow and green. You will need to retrieve the orange monitor case and the vital signs monitor, the vital signs monitor stand, and bin number 1 for the colored system you are to deploy. These three components should be moved to the location needed for setup. Bin number 1 has the parts needed to assemble the monitor stand. To assemble the stand, line up the side tab on the tray with the slot on the monitor stand. Insert the tabs and slide down until you hear click into place. Repeat this procedure for the tray on the opposite side. The monitor mount is then slid down over the top of the stand's pole and pushed into place. The monitor is placed on top of the black support bracket and locked into place with a Phillips head screw. The power cord is plugged into the back of the monitor, and the extra cord should be placed around the power cord cleat. The temperature probe is connected to the bottom right side of the monitor by removing the cover, plugging it into place, and reinstalling the cover door. Next, the probe sleeve is slid into place, and the temperature probe is placed into the sleeve. The box with the disposable probe covers are placed into the adjacent slot. The monitor's SPO2 cord is plugged into the marked slot on the left side of the monitor, and the extra cord should be placed around the SPO2 cleat. Next, plug the patient's end of the SPO2 cord to the monitor cord, locking the clear plastic cover into place. The extra cable can be placed in the side tray. The BP cuff is plugged into the slot next to the SPO2 plug on the left side of the monitor. The extra cord can be slid through the slot on the monitor's mount and placed in the side tray. At this point, it is important to plug the monitor into a power supply so it can begin to charge the internal battery. When the monitor is plugged into a power supply, you will see the indicator light illuminate next to the monitor's power switch. The light will illuminate amber when charging and green when fully charged. Takedown. First, unplug the power cord from the power supply and see that the indicator light next to the monitor's power switch has gone off. Briefly push the power button and the screen should be visible. Next, hold down the power switch until the monitor is fully powered down. Unplug the power cord from the back of the monitor. Then unhook the SPO2 cable by depressing both pins on either sides of the connector. Separate the SPO2 cable from the patient cable by lifting up on the clear plastic retainer and separating the cables. Unhook the BP cuff by depressing both clips on either side of the connector. Remove the box of disposable temperature probe covers, take out the temperature probe and the probe sleeve. Unplug the probe from the monitor by removing the cover door and depressing the clip on the temperature probe connector. Then reinstall the cover door for monitor storage. Next, unscrew the Phillips head screw on the back of the monitor mount bracket and slide the monitor off. Take the time to place all the items back in the orange monitor case, leaving room for the ProPack monitor equipment. To disassemble the vital signs monitor stand, first carefully pull up the monitor mount and remove it from the base. Then place it in bin 1 of the same color code. Next, slightly push in and pull up on the side tray to detach the tab from the side slot in the monitor base. The other tray should be removed in the same manner. Place both of the side trays in the same color-coded bin as the monitor mount.